Welcome to the first video for my EDIE sew along. I decided to start at the very beginning for this series and show you how I assemble the pattern. There's quite a few different ways to do this. I've tried a few different ways in the past, but this is the one that works for me currently. Today I'm using double-sided tape. In the past I've used regular Scotch tape and that works just fine too. But instead of cutting on the line, I just line up the lines, and with my regular printer paper I can see the faint line of the one behind it, and that works pretty well. It's a little tedious at times, but to me it's less tedious than actually cutting them out, so that's what I do. And I also thought it would be helpful if I mentioned what I'm doing here. So what I am doing is cutting out the pieces that go to different parts of the pattern, because I have found that if any piece of paper gets misaligned just minutely, that can affect the way that all of the rest of the pattern pieces are aligned. So cutting them apart just helps them stay aligned better. This can make things a little bit tricky when you've got lots of little pieces to put together, but I found that if I'm just patient, it works out just fine. And I just continue to assemble the pattern pieces and then cut them all out at the lines that correlate with my size. I didn't film that, so I'm actually just going to go right over and show you tracing the pattern onto the fabric. So this is by Birch brand. It's an organic cotton and it's 4 layers of gauze, and it's so nice and soft and fluffy. I really love this fabric. It's my first time working with it. So I'm really careful about where I place the pieces. I'm as close to the edge as possible. And then tracing it, I use a felt tip pen with a fine tip. And I'm really softly going over the fabric because it stretches pretty easily. And I zoomed in here so that you can get a good look at the lines. I do this with all of the pieces, going over each one, being careful to get them close together. And since I need 2 sleeves, I folded over the fabric and am tracing around the sleeve shape so that I can cut out both at the same time. I'm working kind of a small space, so I use my floor as my cutting surface. This is kind of challenging, but I make it work. Cutting out the sleeve went pretty slowly because I am making sure that I keep the fabric even with itself so that I'm cutting them out at the same exact spot on both pieces of fabric. Another thing that I wanted to note is that I did cut little notches everywhere that the pattern indicated to. So next I cut out the front and back pieces of my pattern. I went ahead and sped this up because it's not too interesting. I'm basically just going around each piece, making sure I cut out my notches. And then lastly, I traced and cut out my bias binding pieces. In my next video of this sew along series, I will be block printing onto this fabric, and I will show you how I do that. To see the rest of this sew along and more of my hand making videos, subscribe to my channel.